Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because we're doing a full unboxing and test of my new nail dust collector, and I'll be using it while removing my nail extensions. If you're a home nail tech or beginner like me, you know how messy nail dust can get. So let's see if this is worth it. So let's start unboxing. The box is very simple and clean, very professional looking. So let's open it. It comes with the warranty information and the instruction manual. It comes with 30 pieces of replacement filter pads, which is really nice because we're really gonna need it. And the MelodySusie P-Series P Pro R dust collecting fan unit. And the charging cable. Everything is packed nicely and secured. Okay, so my first impression is this is actually super compact. It's under 20 centimeter and honestly, it's very lightweight. Perfect if you have small desk or even if you travel. This small hole here is the light indicator when you turn on the unit and also when you adjust the speed on the unit. And it also comes with a magnetic cover. It has non-slip base so it won't move while working, and I like that it has multiple ventilation holes so it doesn't overheat easily. And this is where you put the charging cable to charge the unit. In the off state, long press the switch button for 2 seconds to turn on the machine, which defaults to running at gear 1. Now I'm gonna put the nail dust collector filter paper. After turning on the machine, short press the gear button to switch between gears 1, 2, and 3, and the indicator light will illuminate in the corresponding colors. During operation, if the filter paper cover is removed, the machine will pause, and the indicator light for the current gear will pulse. When the filter paper cover is replaced, the machine will resume operation. If the pause state caused by removing the filter paper cover lasts for 20 minutes, the machine will automatically shut down. In the powered on state, press and hold the switch button for 2 seconds to turn off the machine. Alright, so now let's test it while removing my nail extensions. I will be using my MelodySusie nail drill together with my P Pro R dust collecting fan from MelodySusie. So I'm gonna leave the link below in my description box so you guys can check it out, and don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 to get 12% off when you shop at MelodySusie official store. So now I'm gonna start placing my hand on top of the nail dust collector. And remember, don't press too hard, just let the drill do the work. Okay, wait, look at that. The dust is literally being pulled down instead of flying everywhere. This is already so much cleaner compared to doing it without a dust collector. I am using a higher speed now. You can really feel the stronger suction, but even then, it's not super loud, which is very big plus for me. And like I said earlier, it also has a safety feature. If you remove the filter cover, it automatically stops, which is really nice for safety. The design is very simple but aesthetic. This one comes in 4 different macaroons color, which is white, green, pink, and purple. It also has one button control, which I love because it's not confusing. You just press to turn it on and you can switch between 3 different speed levels depending on what you're doing. And another thing, it's rechargeable, so no need to keep plugging it in. It can last to almost 5 hours on low speed, which is really good for long nail sessions. You can see the nails are getting cleaner and more natural. And we're done. My nails are extension free and my workspace is still very clean. Most of the dust stayed in the nail dust collector filter, which I love, and it is easy to clean. So here's my thoughts. It's super compact and easy to carry. It has the strong suction and adjustable speeds. It is rechargeable and long battery life. It comes with lots of filter pads. It is perfect for beginners, home setups, small spaces, and traveling. And that's it for today's video. If you want a full review or a nail set using this, comment down below and don't forget to check the link down on my description box. Thank you!